Ex-convict backs 2 years imprisonment over theft of amplifier and church bell. Sodiq, you do this one. Your name na Sodiq. They charge him for 2-count charges, breaking and entry and stealing, because he break into one house. Now so he go grab amplifier wey they use for church, and also church bell to go sell. And they say this guy don't commit before, we say don't go answer guilty or not guilty. The later be like come out. Now the magistrate court will judge this matter, say this guy, apart from this charges where you go spend 2 years, so if you come back, you can't get any other reason to come back to this place, you will rot in jail. Now so the court take answer, for this thing happen for Ibadan yonder there, where the guy just say look. According to him, he say in true he don't go before at the law at the day, but as we come back and call hunger won't buy man for this country, so you have to go again. After all die, now die.
Actually, but you look at hunger.
Yes,
see, where the country be, people dey prison nothing God for them.
Wallahi.
They don't know what God has done for them. At least they know say fathers by them must shop. They know they pay house rent. They don't dey one place. Because I tell my friend, say my friend come meet me. I come they ask me, I see what I put for grand like 3, that was last week for my wedding. I don't say bro, the boy they discuss with me. Say bro, what's happen? Say baba, my head on full like this. Marriage day for corner, house rent day for corner. My man don't tell me say no, I bad as a bad. I must send. I did one bag of rice for Christmas. So I just deal. I just different. Look me. Say say na me cause now. I say why? Say na me go dey responsible. I say how? Say since when you do this my house, how people don't call am? Which intention man don't call am? Now as people dey pay house rent, I say na me. You see, I put the squat. I no get into it. Say the peace of mind won't kill am. Child. Say the squat me the fat. Me we get as a leave. Because nobody feels the stomach for anything.
Person is prison, no. Make her answer you. If you go there, make call.
I told her, be the boy you. Say, I wish I be the Scott with her. And his mama will come in. They say, I don't get house.
They're going to find relation to come give you.
Abi.
But you see, this next month now will enter 2025. Your bad habits, leave am.
Okay, die with 2024.
Your bad habits, leave am, because very important. Every year, man, they go. Now you're going to say from year to year, you just get one place. Now because you never change. If you change your attitude, you change your character, you change the way you talk, change the kind of people you mingle with, you will see things will change for you also. I see no reason why as a man you don't want to work, you don't want to do anything, you send a thief, you wanted a thief. God is saving and now say for don't even cost now. They know they born thief.
They cash you, they say before. They say
àwọn police ọlọ́pàá gan tó fẹ́ gbé wọn lépo láti ẹja kọ̀nà wọn.
Police no quick come.
They dey sharp thief. They dey born one guy. And they born one guy the other day for my.
They burn on fire.
So they don't forget. They no ask the boy. The thief. They don't first burn the boy with 2 liters of oil. And now you know how much be 2 liters of oil now?
2.6.
2.6.
What the boy thief?
What did the boy thief?
200 naira.
What did the boy thief?
200 naira.
No, we say 200 naira Chevy stick for a bookie shop.
That is 18 naira.
They don't first waste 2,000 fuel. When if you put that for Tiger Gen, if you put that fuel for Tiger Gen, around 12.
Chevy stick don't cost now. Now hot water takes a foul style like do. So boy water.
So your wife got to pull up on you.
Yes,